How to manage hidden apps on your iPhone. If you want to view, unhide, or manage the apps you've hidden on your iPhone, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, swipe left until you reach the app library. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap the Hidden folder. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to open it. Here, you'll see all of the apps you've hidden. To open a hidden app, simply tap it after unlocking the folder. If you want to unhide an app, press and hold the app icon, then tap Don't Require Face ID or Unhide App, depending on your iOS version. Authenticate with Face ID to confirm the change. The app will be removed from the Hidden folder and will appear again on your home screen and in the app library like any other app. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.